Yo, what's up, Currency Trading Academy? It's your boy Julius, aka Gold Collector on Instagram. I'm doing my Sunday market analysis. It's January 11th, 2026. Sorry for the noise, but my pops is actually cleaning one of the rooms at his house because I'm staying at their house this weekend. But if this is your first time tuning in, what I like to do is I like to start off on Sunday, review my last week's trades, and I go from there. So really quickly on market open, I took a 441 pip win, very beautiful trade. And then on Monday morning, I took a 131 pip win, and then a 113 pip win, and then a 174 pip win. And I was up on the week. I was like up $5,000. Still stupid. So I was up 85 pips here, 5 pip win here, stupid trade. 69 pip loss, and this is where everything went downhill. So I took right off the bat. I bought the high, 77 pip loss, and then 48 pip loss, and then a 36 pip loss, then a 46 pip loss, and then a 12 pip loss, and then another back to back 19 pip loss, and then another 23 pip loss, and I just kept on going on fucking tilt. It's so horrible. And a 10 pip loss, and then 15 pip loss, and that's definitely where I went on tilt. I took like 10 different losses back to back. Couldn't take a win, save my life. And then I ended up winning on this 198 pip win. I ended up passing a challenge in one shot, and then I took a 77 pip loss there, a 110 pip loss, 52 pip loss, 13 pip win, 40 pip loss, 42 pip loss, 55 pip loss, 37 pip loss. I just couldn't find my market direction, bro. So over here, 41. No, I think this is a break even. And over here, 162 pip win. Started finally winning. Over here, I think like a 50 pip win. And then over here, it took a 120 pip win. But just goes to show you, dude, like once you take 2 losses, you need to fucking stop. You need to stop trading, and you need to adhere to your rules, because I went on tilt. I was up $5,000 and it totally blew it all. So fucking retarded. But yeah, guys, I just want to be totally honest with you guys. Letting you guys know that you can be up on the week or the month, and one trading session can totally wipe that all away. So this week, I'm going to focus on risk management, only risking 2 contracts per trade, and if I take 2 losses, then I'm done for the session. All right, so I'm going to remove my charts. Start charting for y'all. I'm going to remove my sessions high and low so it doesn't distract me. So right now, gold is making higher highs and higher lows, higher highs, higher lows on the 5 minute. But if we go back on the daily time frame, probably see the same thing, just on a larger scale. Mark up the new time high. Daily resistance. Daily resistance. Daily support and resistance. And daily support. And if price decides to break this strong level of support, I want to know where it can go because Tuesday CPI. So adjust these key levels here. This is a super big zone, but you know how it is. We gotta mark everything. I'll probably find a zone within the zone over there. But I do feel like this is going to be the move for Asia Open, as the price is going to shoot up, take liquidity from NFP high, and then just melt. That's what I'm thinking the price is going to do. Because there's all this resting liquidity from NFP on Friday. So price shot up like crazy, and price hasn't taken out that liquidity. It hasn't done a price correction yet, or at least a full one. It did correct a bit of it, but not all of it. So I'll be looking for just kind of a trade. Yep, so that's going to be my key levels for gold this week. I'm going to mark up US30 because I like to trade US30 now. I'm going to do micros. Pause this. Okay. I actually don't get to mark up all of my US30 trades because the price moves so fast. I just end up taking buy or sells really quickly. I'll mark this one as NFP low. It's NFP high, so I'm looking to do this kind of a trade. At market open. So we'll see what happens. We still have a bit of a way to get to the all-time high. I think we'll get to that on CPI on Tuesday. But yeah, guys, these are my key levels for gold. Take a screenshot of that. And my key levels for US30. All right, you guys. Let's take a look at the Forex Factory. News fundamentals for this week. Yep, for this week we have CPI on Tuesday, core PPI on Wednesday, and unemployment claims on Thursday. So there's a bit of red folders. So there's going to be definitely some movement in the markets this week. All right, y'all. If you guys have any questions, feel free to shoot me a DM, and I'm happy to answer them for you. All right, guys. Peace.